inflatable.com.
Hi, I'm Toby Deckert and I developed the Shred Rack. Shred Rack is an inflatable car roof rack. It doesn't matter if you transport skis, snowboards, surfboards, even furnitures or whatever you want to transport. You're totally flexible with using it. So just strap your webbings around the car and everything can be fixed in minutes. Really took care about the selection of the materials. So I wanted that the Shred Rack works in extreme conditions, like in really extreme heat and also in cold temperatures. So the packing size is super small because it's inflatable. My goal is that everybody has a Shred Rack in his trunk in the future, that you can just use it when you need it. Yeah, so hope you will have your fun with the Shred Rack soon. See ya!
Hey, my name is Philip. The biggest issue when you travel by plane is weight. Weight and volume. We took the Shred Rack with us on our trip to Norway. We were 4 persons and we had to mount 3 board bags on the roof of our rental car.
Hello Taiwan, man! Just uppercut like this.
And now we are here on beautiful Mauritius Island for training and shooting for our kitesurf companies. Yeah, and we are using a super small rental car. That's why we are using Shred Rack to travel all over the island. And this is super practical because with this we can match all our boards and kitesurf equipment just on top of the car. And yeah, the car can get full up to 4 people now. It's great.
Creative, racket, love it.